Goal. Roll VTR.
Representing Pathfinder School. I love singing because God gave me this wonderful talent and it helps me express God's love through my songs. My first song is Makit Tayo Kalama because it reminds me of God's perfect timing and creation. My second song is Maganda Asa because it reminds me that true faith is not only shown in words but also in actions. I hope these songs inspire us of trusting God and living our faith every day. Thank you and God bless.
Check. All right, from Pathfinder School to sing for us. Maghintay ka lamang and Banal na Aso. Give it up for Ayana Brielle Mutiar.
Kung hindi mapangasa iyo, huwag mainip dahil kanya ang buhay sa mundo nila. Ang ng pag-asa, darating ng ligaya. Ang isipin mo, ibukas pa na mayroong saya. Kabiro ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iiwas pag nabibigo, dapat na lumangan ka. Ang kailangan mo, tibay